Hello everyone, this is Zahid again. Today I have come with another website review. So today's website is of a model named Karlie Kloss. You can see she is from fashion, impact and media. So it's saying scroll, so it's a direction. It's making it easier for me to understand, or for you anyone surfing the website, that you should scroll here. So let's scroll and see. Okay, it's a nice banner coming from below. Fashion with her I believe Instagram handler. Impact code with Classy Gateway Coalition. Here is media, I believe her works. Here are some scrolling banners with different posts from different social medias. There is one from Forbes also, I see. Okay, these are like testimonials that you have a good reputation in the marketplace. And copyright mail Instagram. Okay, so this is a really cool, minimal, to the point, interactive website. For today, this website I can see it's a nice one. So basically there is not much, I think. These are like only text, nothing clickable. Media, what is it? Real life. Okay, can we read or see some of these? Let's try. No, nothing clickable here. So this is it, and I would love to get a picture of her in this big, very big blank space, like a transparent background, only the face of her showing in a really artistic way, with a transparent background, so it becomes more energetic and attractive also. So there is a big blank here. I know that it's giving a good minimal look, but at the first, uh, when I come into the website, that I can see, I have to find what is it gonna, is it already loaded or loading. Oh, it's loaded. Then I can, it's really hard to read the name also, so my suggestion will be to increase the size of the fonts. Okay, it's fine. Okay. And we can add also a animated scrolling arrow here. Otherwise it's also fine with in this way, but we can make it like vertical way, the text up to bottom. That will be good. But what I am really missing, that there is a image of her, as she's a model, so it's very much what needed here. So my suggestion will be to her or anyone working with this, working with the brand or her manager, that they should follow these instructions or suggestions from me. I would love to uh, get the view what I am saying right now in this website. Okay, so this is it from me in this website. And if you want me to review any other websites that you like, or if you have your own website as a website designer, I would really love to analyze or get a view of your website. So please share your website in the comment link below. I'll definitely try to get the view of your website and analyze and give you a feedback with a video in the next or in the next of other videos. Okay, till then, have a great day. Bye bye.